Hello, everybody. This is just a little devlog thing for me to have. This is like a MMORPG kind of similar to how Dungeon Quest used to be. I'm gonna do stuff that's like where I got some of my inspiration with some things which you'll see. Same with a game called Fantastic Frontier on Roblox. It's supposed to just be like, I guess, out of Roblox. It's gonna be similar to World of Warcraft. There's not really much more to say. There's gonna be like raids and stuff. I'll probably put up a list of things, or I'll probably put in the description a list of things that I plan to do at some point. If I don't, then I forgot, and oopsie. But you have your pickaxe. You hover over one of the rocks, which right now is just one of these things. Later on, it'll be one of these models. Um, it says it's HP out of its max, and it's rock. So you click it, it mines it, and you can do that with every single one here, which drops certain ones. Zinc is the only one I don't have a model for, but you got tin, gold, lead, coal, lead. Okay, yeah, we can do it. We get these lead, platinum. There we go. So as you saw, it updated for a split second, but it tells you the amount that you have, the max, which is expandable based off your gear. It's not going to just stay at 40. That's just what you're going to start off with. You'll have a way to like item description. I plan to make it where you can right click to drop items so you don't have to keep them on you at all times. But if you hover over it, it tells you like the little description about it. You know, it's picture of what it is, name, and the description, which I'm gonna change the descriptions pretty much of all of these because I just had AI write me something just so I knew it worked. This text is not saying here. That's also just something I was doing to test. As you can see with the gear, that's what page we're on. It's head, chest, pants, boots, neck, shoulder, hands. I don't plan to do any more than that. The names will probably change around. You got stats, which will tell you everything that you have on total, like magic damage, melee damage, health, whatever. Vanity, or not vanity, sorry. The bars down here are for your main hotbar tools, which if you're in a dungeon, you won't have that kind of stuff. You'll have a different UI pop-up. With that being said, you know, the slots in here are supposed to be like, you know, for tools like these pickaxe, like a fishing rod, whatever else I really think of. I mean, there could be different things. And with that being said, as I talked about, this is very similar to how Fantastic Frontier kind of formats their stuff. So that's how I got the inspiration, and then Dungeon Quest was kind of the inventory like UI look. Search bar also works, so if I type in lead, it hides the others. If I just do L, you can see it shows the others that have L in them. Coal, gold, and tin, which will show up for platinum because platinum has the word tin in it. But yeah, exit button doesn't work yet because I'm just lazy and haven't done that. Spells, which is just like your abilities. You have QE, which is like Dungeon Quest, and I wanted to do a little bit more. I didn't want to just leave it as something basic, so I have C and V as well. Although I do plan to make it where you can adjust it as you go. I don't want to just leave it as something that you have to force using those buttons if you're not comfortable with that. Same with inventory. I'd like to make it where it's a button that you can modify. And with that being said, go to vanity. I'm not probably going to do it like this. I did kind of have a thought process. I don't think I'm going to make it like this because that's just going to be a pain for me. I might just do it how Dungeon Quest does it, where you get a cosmetic and you could just equip the whole set. And that being said, that's what that will be. And yeah, I think that's I don't know. I don't think there's anything else I could really show. I mean, as you can see, it doesn't affect your stats. And you know, everything tells you things there. Um, these are the models, which as you mine, it will deplete. So there's actually multiple different states of this. So if I go right here, delete this one, that's like its second tier, and then it's third and last here, and then once you break that, then you get the ore. So yeah. And then you have all the other models here, which I'll go and show you. You have copper, iron, gold, tin, lead, platinum, and coal, which we're just missing zinc. I'll be I need to make it where these work soon. I just haven't done that yet. But yeah, that's everything that I've gotten done so far, and this is something I'm only really able to do on the weekends. I've been trying to do it more, but it's kind of hard. All right, see ya.